Welcome back, folks. Check it out. Super hard to find unit here. Extremely solid, well-maintained, two-owner, perfect Carfax, 2010 Ford Explorer XLT 4.0 V6 trailer tow pack, third row seater, 4x4, factory sunroof, sync technology, streaming audio, hands-free Bluetooth calling, third row seater. It's a nice one, folks. You're not going to find another one this nice and solid as this truck. All the seams are nice, under the hood is nice, the rockers are clean, fully serviced, safety inspected, road tested, ice cold air, drives 110%, no issues, guaranteed credit approval, $795 starting down pay. DasCleveland.com.